hey, so I totally got my wheel spacers. I totally tried to put them on. They didn't fit. So guess what? It's time for that exhaust video that I asked you guys about. It's ready to do it. So, in a moment, I'm going to grumble. I am going to take the camera to my cameraman slash woman slash partner in crime, and I'm going to make some noise. So, here we go. And another quick update, my ignition lock cylinder went out, so I had to have it replaced. Nice and shiny. Look at all the crap in my car. That's okay, it's only tools. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that slightly quieter than I wanted it to be exhaust video. Have a good day.